guys? JP here. So unfortunately, on the part 2 of the custom oil pan building, the customer actually ended up going with a completely different transmission setup and called me and canceled me doing any more work because he's going a completely different route, and he's going to be able to move the engine back further with a new transmission. So unfortunately, we don't have a part 2 of how to build your own oil pan. However, I did build one on a Corvette, 65 Corvette. Unfortunately, I only have short videos, but I will add them here and kind of show you the process. It's pretty self-explanatory. Honestly, you're gonna weld it just like you would a panel on a car. You just want to hit it one spot at a time, kind of give at least a couple inches in between each tack, so that way you don't warp anything. And the pictures or the little short videos will kind of show that for you. And then what I did is I just went all the way around it, tack all the way around until you get it completely tacked and it looks completely sealed. And I just did that with a MIG welder, and that's all you really need. However, for me, because I wanted it to look fairly pretty, fairly nice, I went back over all the welds with my TIG welder and a rod, and I kind of just smoothed out the welds and kind of laid the puddles in, so it wasn't just really, bumpy from tack on tack. So, but I will get this started for you guys. Again, I apologize. Sometimes that just happens with the customer. He did pay me for cutting the pan and everything and getting started on it. But so anyways, check it out. I'll try to kind of talk you through it as we go.
Built with soul, not just steel.
Okay, back on the C2 oil pan issue. So this has a Gen 5 454. This is the style oil pan I need with the large mouth, where this one has the small mouth. However, this is the 6-quart pan I need. This is specifically a actual C2 pan from here back. So I'm gonna take 35 millimeters all the way around. And got that mopped up. Now we're gonna trace here, and then we'll correct the front, trace the front, cut that out, and cut all the way down. We just gotta get it, take a file, we're gonna file it all, and then get it tack welded in place. Okay, we got a few tacks in place. I test fitted it on the Corvette. It fits, everything clears, I can rotate the crank. So this should work. Update on yesterday's oil pan fiasco. We've got it basically welded all the way up now, all the way around. So we're waiting on a new pan gasket, and we'll do the final test fit. Quick update on this custom C2 oil pan for Gen 5 454. As you can see, it's sealed up, it's on there, we painted it black. Everything's clearing as it's supposed to. We have more than enough clearing for steering, so hopefully no leaks.